Everybody asks me, why, Dr. Wolf, have you come up with what's called the Pain-Free Pelvis Restoration 3-day course? What took so long? What took so long to create a course that would honor the vaginal canal of a woman, which is the holy grail of life for a woman, bringing life onto this planet? What took so long to realize that the whole pelvic area of a woman has been under siege by medical manipulation for the last 50 years? If we do not teach a woman to honor, respect, and protect the most important part of her, which is the pelvis, her uterus, her fallopian tubes, her ovaries, her bladder, let me tell you something. We must put an end to medical manipulation and help every woman out there to stand in her power, her feminine power, and to know that it's her body and no one should become the practitioner. No one should become the master of that body except the holder of it. And this is where we're going with the pelvic restoration course. We will teach a woman that she can have the most beautiful, healthy pelvis all her life. And no matter what the dis-ease is, that means out of harmony, we will be able to reverse it, whether it is ovarian cysts, endometriosis, a fibroid tumor, bladder infection, okay? How about this, where the uterus is falling down and out because we are talking about pelvic floor deterioration, and that whole thing that the world looks at that we can't reverse, we can reverse it all. We can reverse the irreversible, and you can do the impossible by making it into I am possible. Every woman out there does not have to have pelvic pain, does not have to have suffering, and does not have to give her parts up to a dysfunctional healthcare system.